Welcome to our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Today we're headed to the small town of Platte City, Missouri. Platte City was founded in 1843 by Zed Martin. The town was originally named Martinsburg after its founder, but the name was changed to Platte City in 1845. Platte City was incorporated as a city in September of 1843. The town was located along the Platte River, which made it a strategic location for trade and commerce. Platte City also became a stop on the Hannibal and St. Joseph Railroad, which further increased its importance as a transportation hub. Platte City was a hotbed of activity during the American Civil War. The town was home to a number of pro-Confederate residents, and it was burned to the ground by Union forces on two occasions. In 1861, Colonel W. James Morgan's Union squad razed Platte City, including the old courthouse, and in 1864, bushwhackers once again took refuge in the town and raised a Confederate flag, which led Union forces to burn it again and kill or summarily execute several dozen suspected bushwhackers. Despite the turmoil of the Civil War, Platte City continued to grow and prosper. The town's economy is based on agriculture, livestock, and manufacturing. We've been walking past the newest version of the Platte County Courthouse. This one was completed on St. Valentine's Day, 1867. We're coming up across one of the more historic homes here in Platte City. This is actually now the site of the Platte County Historical Society. This particular mansion is called the Frederick Krause Mansion, and it was built in 1883 in the Second Empire architectural style. Frederick Krause was a prominent Platte Cityan, and he's said to have designed this house based upon the version of the governor's mansion in Jefferson City, which I have a video of that. And if you take a look, there are very much some similarities between the two structures.